Welcome to The Explainer. We're tackling a huge question today. Is sustainable development even possible?
Can we really have economic growth for everyone and keep the planet healthy? Let's explore both sides.
First, what exactly are we talking about? This is the official definition of sustainable development.
All right, let's start with the case for yes, the argument that we can innovate our way out of this.
A key idea here is the demographic transition model. It's a predictable pattern, really.
As countries develop, their population growth naturally slows down and eventually can even start to shrink.
So what's the driver here? It really comes down to two things: wealth and education. And check out this data from Ethiopia. It clearly shows more education for women equals lower birth rates.
This isn't just theory. The Indian state of Kerala is a fantastic real-world example of this in action.
But there's a powerful counterargument, the case for no, that our current path is fundamentally broken.
To understand this side, we can use something called the IPAD equation to measure our impact.
And that A for affluence, it's a huge multiplier. The more we have, the more we consume.
I mean, just look at the stark difference in material possessions between different lifestyles.
This all translates to wildly different ecological footprints per person across the globe.
Get this, the average person in the US has 18 times the impact of a person in Haiti.
And all that consumption drives serious damage, like this kind of irreversible deforestation. So this is the core conflict. Is wealth the solution that funds green tech, or is it the problem?
Back in 2005, the Millennium Ecosystem Assessment Project tried to answer that very question. And their conclusion was pretty sobering. It said, our current path is putting the planet's future at risk.
Which leaves us here. Is this a technology problem that we can invent our way out of, or is it a human one?